In urban traffic, trouble rarely starts with major incidents. More often, it begins with very small decisions that last only a few minutes. A car parked in the wrong place may seem harmless, but it can be enough to trigger a chain reaction. Park time captures moments like these, when a small choice leads to an ending no one expects. Don't block the front of my house like that, buddy. It's not funny. Oh no, my brand new car. It doesn't even look like a car anymore. Hey man, I only stopped for 5 minutes to take a call. No need to get so tense. No, the rear end paid the price for parking in the wrong spot. A creative parking move, traded for a free afternoon workout for everyone. How did he even manage to park like this? What do you think? Tell me in the comments. A dispute between a truck and an excavator? Who do you think is at fault? Don't block someone else's driveway. This guy's reminder was already pretty gentle. This happens often in my neighborhood, a lesson for those who ignore parking signs. Parking like this is going to be expensive, guys. Handling an illegally parked car like this isn't unusual, but I'd still advise calling city management. Just a light tap and hello, long repair bill. A useful tip if you're still struggling with parking. All he could do was watch helplessly as the other man went too far. This is one for the insurance companies.
Nah, it looks like an expired meter. They didn't come back.
One look tells you he wasn't happy about that illegal parking fine.
That guy's sawing off them meters.
Looks like this quiet little town is about to get a lot busier. Do you see it too? If it were your car, how would you react to this? Don't drag things out here, you never know what might happen. Choosing a parking spot like this is a serious mistake. Never park on grass in Russia, you can't imagine how it ends. Have you ever been stuck in a can't move forward, can't reverse situation? An elderly woman on a tricycle, a car at rest, and an unexpectedly strong greeting. A compilation of our most expensive failures. Even expensive cars get ticketed when they park illegally. Don't underestimate the police. No parking spots? Let's just make one. This guy's got quite the sense of humor. Lucky this man showed up. Always use the parking brake on a slope.
J'aime bien on smart. Allez.
It really seems like parking is a serious challenge for him. Using snow chains in winter makes controlling the car much easier. This is pretty rough on the car, man. Paying the fine would have been easier. These shopping carts clearly have a grudge against cars. When a bus needs to move fast, the community decides to hit the gym on the spot. Barriers are meant to stop cars, not to test how stubborn they are. Clearing snow like this gets expensive, my friend. So, this is how she opened it at first? Repair costs end up far higher than just paying the fine.
Okay.
One careless minute can damage multiple vehicles, not just your own. Sometimes it only takes one firefighter to move what's left of a car. Who gave this guy a driver's license? Big mistake. That sound was like the Titanic gently gliding past. This prank isn't funny at all, man. Don't make things harder for each other. Looks like you were the chosen one, no escaping this. Will this damage the car? And more importantly, what can you do in this situation? Oh, my car, please be careful with it.
$63.
Even Mother Nature seems to disagree with where you parked. At this point, there's no denying the fine anymore. Choose your parking spots wisely, everyone, so emergencies like this can be handled. A small choice on the road rarely affects just one person. Its consequences often spread much farther. Park time is where those moments are recorded when a decision that seems harmless leads to an ending no one expects. Follow Park Time to watch what happens next.